Welcome to part 1 of this funny cute little character. Today I'm just doing the sketch, and I'm sorry I don't have the video of the perspective sketch. I forgot to record. But you will get to see me doing the details on this view and also the front and side orthographic views for modeling in Blender. I was kind of thinking this as a rigging animation test. I don't know if I'm actually going to be animating it, but that could be fun. So it's definitely very stylized. I was thinking the eyes are like, those stick-on googly eyes, and that could be pretty fun. And maybe the cord on the top can like bend over and he can use it like a hand. I don't know. Okay, now we get into sketching the front and side views. I'm going to start with the front, and using the reference, I'm just going to copy it basically. And then we're going to put on the eyes, and that's basically it. Now to draw the side view, I drew these lines to make sure that everything was the same so that in Blender, everything will work out nicely. The hardest part to figure out was definitely the little corrugated thing at the top where the cord connects, but I think it turned out pretty good. I hope to see you next time where I'm 3D modeling this in Blender.